The recent announcement of a $650 adjustment is a mathematical illusion. It functions as a pacifier for populations unaware of systemic capital degradation. Your grocery bill is not a static metric, it is a live index of global supply chain friction. The adjustment lags behind the real cost of biological fuel. Relying on delayed bureaucratic intervention guarantees a deficit in your structural longevity. Wealth erosion happens in the silent moments at the checkout counter. Affluent living requires the immediate rejection of baseline survival metrics. A fixed income adjustment assumes a fixed state of existence. Your environment demands dynamic capital allocation. Food inflation targets the foundation of cognitive continuity. High-performance aging relies on premium nutritional inputs. Compromising on these inputs accelerates physical decline. The math reveals a structural flaw. $650 divided across 12 months provides negligible insulation against escalating market volatility. The illusion of safety is the greatest threat to wealth protection. Systems designed for the masses fail the individual. You must engineer your own economic isolation. Capital preservation demands a shift from reactive spending to proactive asset structuring. Your home environment is the primary interface for this transition. Managing a premium lifestyle requires minimizing friction in daily operations. Friction consumes cognitive bandwidth. Wealth allows for the systematic elimination of minor daily decisions. Consider the mechanics of your kitchen infrastructure. Manual tracking of premium nutritional assets is an obsolete process. It introduces unnecessary cognitive load. Modern independence architecture utilizes automated inventory environments. Smart refrigerator sensors seamlessly monitor expiration cycles. Links to implement these ambient monitoring systems are available in the description below. Automating the mundane preserves mental equity for complex problem solving. Your focus must remain on systemic risk management. Microtasks drain executive function. Have you noticed subtle changes in your cognitive precision during complex tasks? Share your observations below. Cognitive degradation often begins in the periphery of routine activities. A miscalculation, a delayed physical response. These are systemic warnings. Wealth protection extends beyond portfolio balancing. It encompasses the defense of your biological hardware. A failing mind cannot manage a successful estate. The false security of a minor income increase distracts from essential longevity planning. Focus on fortifying your immediate physical environment. Environmental design influences biological outcomes. Universal design principles integrate safety without compromising aesthetic value. Your residence must anticipate physical vulnerability. Lighting calibration dictates circadian rhythms. Improper illumination accelerates sleep degradation. Sleep degradation dismantles metabolic health. Every surface in your home is a variable in your longevity equation. High-friction flooring increases fall probability. Mitigation requires architectural foresight. The illusion of external financial rescue breeds dangerous complacency. You are the sole architect of your continued autonomy. The state provides only baseline survival parameters. Premium aging necessitates private infrastructure. This infrastructure requires continuous capital injection. The $650 metric is irrelevant to this scale. Consider the cost of 24-hour premium care. It eclipses standard retirement models. Wealth must be structured for catastrophic biological events. Asset longevity is directly correlated to sensory optimization. Failing vision requires brighter, more strategic environmental lighting. Failing hearing demands acoustic dampening in living spaces. Technology bridges the gap between biological decline and independent living. Voice-activated environmental controls remove physical barriers. They sustain the illusion of effortless control. Effortless control is the hallmark of affluent aging. It masks the underlying mechanical assistance. The aesthetic of independence is preserved. Financial strategies must account for these technological integrations. They are not luxury upgrades, they are mandatory medical devices disguised as home decor. A stagnant portfolio cannot support dynamic environmental adaptation. Your investment strategy must outpace the cost of technological evolution. The narrative of a secure retirement is a manufactured concept. It assumes a linear trajectory of health and inflation. Reality operates on exponential curves. Inflation compounds, biological decay compounds. Your defensive systems must also possess compounding capabilities. A government stipend is a linear tool deployed against an exponential threat. It is mathematically incapable of winning the war for your autonomy. True wealth protection requires the aggressive acquisition of private solutions. Concierge medicine circumvents bureaucratic delays. It purchases the most vital asset, time. Time is the currency of longevity. Waiting for systemic approval consumes this currency. Affluence provides a bypass mechanism. The grocery store is a microcosm of macroeconomic failure. Shrinking package sizes mask escalating prices. The visual cues deceive the consumer. You must cultivate an observational distance from mass market narratives. The news cycle is designed to generate emotional volatility. Emotional volatility disrupts strategic planning. Maintain a cold assessment of your biological and financial metrics. Data does not possess empathy. It offers clear indicators of systemic failure or success. Your estate plan is an extension of your biological will. It must dictate the precise parameters of your care. Ambiguity in these documents invites unwanted external control. The preservation of dignity requires rigorous legal architecture. Trusts and directives form the perimeter defense around your autonomy. They activate when your cognitive continuity falters. Anticipate the moment of cognitive transition. It is rarely a sudden event. It is a slow erosion of executive function. Monitoring this erosion requires objective systems. Subjective self-assessment is flawed by ego. Technology provides unbiased data on behavioral shifts. Changes in routine indicate underlying structural shifts. A sudden alteration in daily movement patterns warrants investigation. Smart home metrics track these deviations. The $650 increase is a distraction from these critical operational metrics. It anchors your attention to a trivial financial detail. Break the anchor. Elevate your perspective to the systemic level. Your survival depends on macro-level execution. The integration of wealth and health is seamless in optimal systems. A deficit in one immediately impacts the other. They are a single operational unit. The illusion of fiat stability compromises biological planning. A currency designed to lose value cannot support a physical form designed to endure. Premium nutrition is an appreciating asset class in the economy of aging. The input quality determines the output duration. Cheap fuel destroys complex engines. A marginal increase in fixed income creates a false positive in your risk assessment. It signals safety where vulnerability exists. This is a fatal strategic error. True financial calculus ignores temporary governmental adjustments. It measures the delta between your static resources and exponential healthcare inflation. The gap is widening. Your primary residence is a medical facility waiting to happen. Failing to retrofit your environment is an act of self-sabotage. Doorway widths dictate future mobility constraints. A narrow corridor is a physical barrier to your future self. Widen the parameters before necessity dictates the change. Thresholds create tripping hazards. A quarter-inch of elevated flooring is a systemic threat to an aging femur. Eliminate all environmental friction points. Bathroom architecture reveals the truth of aging in place. A step-in shower is a tactical advantage. A traditional tub is an eventual trap. Thermal regulation becomes a critical biological function. Aging skin loses the ability to manage temperature fluctuations. Your hook system must compensate for this biological deficit. Smart thermostats act as an external nervous system. They anticipate temperature drops and adjust the ambient environment. This preserves core body heat without conscious effort. Water purity is non-negotiable. Municipal water systems operate on acceptable margins of contamination. Affluent longevity demands point-of-use filtration systems. Heavy metals and microplastics accumulate in neural tissues over decades. You must isolate your biological system from these public infrastructure failures. The $650 will not purchase localized water sovereignty. It barely covers the accelerated cost of mass market hydration. Estate planning must account for the digital afterlife. Your cognitive footprint exists in cloud storage. Access protocols must be established prior to cognitive decline. Biometric security provides unhindered entry to physical and digital vaults. Passwords require memory recall, fingerprints, and retinal scans bypass the failing hippocampus. Memory is a fragile storage medium. Relying on organic recall for critical financial data is a high-risk strategy. Offload data to secure, automated systems. The architecture of your daily routine must be rigid yet adaptable. Rigidity prevents decision fatigue. Adaptability accommodates sudden physical limitations. Social isolation accelerates cognitive decay. Your physical location must facilitate low-friction social interactions. Remote estates offer privacy but increase logistical isolation. Urban integration provides proximity to concierge medical services. The distance to a stroke center is measured in brain cells lost per minute. Optimize your geographic location for biological survival, not just tax efficiency. A low-tax state with substandard healthcare infrastructure is a poor trade. The mathematics of longevity are unforgiving. Every biological intervention carries an escalating price tag. Your portfolio must reflect this brutal reality. Governmental systems are designed to manage mass decline. They are not engineered to facilitate individual optimization. You are operating outside their design parameters. To rely on mass systems is to accept average outcomes. Average outcomes in the aging process involve pain, dependency, and loss of dignity. You must build a private fortress of biological and financial security. The walls are constructed from legal trusts, technological integration, and premium health protocols. The recent monetary adjustment is a minor distraction outside your walls. Ignore the noise. Focus on fortifying the perimeter of your sovereign lifestyle. Do not let the illusion of public assistance degrade your private readiness. The responsibility for your sovereign existence remains with you. Comment the keyword continuity below. Subscribe to protect your most valuable asset, your cognitive longevity. This material is for educational and strategic purposes and does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.